Hey, what's up, guys? So I want to do a complete review on the 2019 Kia Forte. If you're deciding to buy this, it's a very nice car. Has everything. Has the alloy rims. These are 16-inch. Very nice. Very nice. The front end looks very evil. Look at it, it's beautiful. It has a projected type light. Very nice. You have your fog lights. This is the front end. Very nice. Okay, this is the 4-door. This have the front collision warning. Also has drive assist and lane departure. This is the fob, the key. Look just like this. Press the button, the key comes up. Okay. That is the back side. Get the trunk open. You have a very huge trunk. Just remember, when you do go to the dealer, these usually don't come with a spare tire, but it does come with a pump. Doesn't come with a spare, you have to buy it. But the trunk is very, very long. Very long. Through here, you change your light bulbs and stuff like that. Very nice trunk. You have a reverse cam right there. That's your reverse cam. This does come with Carplay, which I will get in the inside right now. So very comfortable car. This is the back. You have power locks, power windows. Seats in the back is very nice. Very comfortable. You have plastic back, easy to wipe, because sometimes they put their feet on there and it becomes very dirty. Passenger side, same thing. You have your unlock and lock. Very comfortable. You have your little mirror, sunglasses holder. You have your lights. Also, very big glove department. Very nice. So let me go to the driver's side. Does not have the signal light on your mirror. Okay, so now let's get into driver's side, just to show you a little bit. This everything comes with. Okay, on your driver's side, you control everything. You got your side view mirrors, up and down. You can lock all the windows so nobody can lower them. Right here, you have your dash lights, your lane departure, and also drive assist. And then this is traction control. Turn it on, turn it off. Now this part right here, you have your heater. It's all digital. Let me turn it on. Okay, so you have your digital heater. You control it, you can sync it basically, it runs both of them together. You have your gear. And also you have your drive modes, which your drive modes come with 3 different drive modes. It will be normal, sport, or smart. Okay, if you change it to your CVT plus and minus, it goes into sport. Your hazard, vent open, vent close. So bring it up for vent open, bring it down for vent close. On your steering wheel, you have cruise control. You have your cruise control, okay, cancel, your horn, voice control when you connect your phone to your CarPlay mode, answer your phone, hang up, your volume for your radio, change your station. The dash look just like that. Show you exactly what's open, what's not. You got your heat, how hot your car is, your RPMs, gas. Shows all the little special lights. So this side right here, you have your wipers. Put it slow, put it delayed. It's up to you. You have a nice little compartment right here. Very nice compartment. You have a 2-cup holder. Down here, you have a 12-volt, 180, and you have another 12-volt, 180. You also have aux cable, and you have a USB. On the back side, you have a USB in the bottom. Okay, so then you have CarPlay. If you're trying to get this car, make sure you get it with the CarPlay. The CarPlay is awesome. Awesome, 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 this CarPlay. The screen is pretty big. Is your radio station, connect your phone, is all those type of things. Your radio station is just like that. It is touch. You can store up to 40 stations. Okay, you have your home phone setup. On your setup, it shows your sound, shows display, Bluetooth, phone project, home screen, date, time, keyboard, advanced screensavers. So it's up to you how you want to set that up. The way you plug it, you make sure you have your cable connected to the USB, and you connect it to your phone on the bottom. Once you do the setup, and you go home, you can see that it's connected Bluetooth, so you can run it Bluetooth, or you can hit Android Auto. You have your phone will come up just like that. You have a dialer, the dialer just like that, pretty nice. Your phone log of all your contacts so you can call. Hit home, hit your Android. So basically right here you have GPS. You also have other apps that are on your phone. So like in my phone, I have Amazon, I got Samsung Music, phone, audio. You can listen to the book, iHeartRadio, news, Pandora, Playbook, Play Music, podcast, reminder, setting, Tinder. You have Tyndall, sorry. You have weather, and YouTube Music. And whatever app you basically download, you will get it on here. You will not get like videos, like YouTube videos or stuff like that. It will not display on here. I still haven't learned if you can or you can't. But make sure if you do get this car, get it with the CarPlay. If I'm not mistaken, they all come with the CarPlay now. It's a very nice car. So let me open the engine, the compartment, so you can see that portion of the thing. Also, your vents on the side, there are twists. So you twist them. So now you don't have really a vent holder that can go there, because I tried a couple and it did not work. Your rearview mirror, it did not work at all. So now let me get into the engine compartment so you can see that part. Your fuses will be straight down here. Take it out, and that is your fuse compartment. So that's where your fuses are at. Okay. Your gas, your trunk, and your hood is down here. Get your hood open. So you can put a drink here too, on both sides and the back. Just to show you a little bit how the lights look. I will change these to the bright white ones, the 6000. I don't like the yellow ones really. So now, when you open up your hood, you have a little, let's see if I can get a light on there. Have a little, see it right there? So you push that to the side, and it opens up. Okay, once it open up, this is the engine. Dual head cam, 16 valve. Very nice engine. You have your battery, your engine, of course. Very nice, very clean. So, you know, make sure everything looks good before you buy it. This one has very low mileage, but very nice car, very nice car. Well, if you have any question whatsoever about the Kia Forte, throw it in my comment and I'll get back to you with the answer. Very nice car, recommend it. Mile per gallon, it matter what drive mode you put it, that's what matters. So basically if you put it in sport mode, you will use more gas. Sport mode, I'm getting pretty much maybe 30, 29. Matters how long you drive on sport mode. On smart mode, you get a little more, but the car holds back a lot. So it's up to you how you like to drive. In normal mode, I'm getting about 36. In smart mode, I'm getting about 40 miles per gallon. The other day, I had less than a quarter. I had like an eighth, and I put $15, and I got almost 3/4 tank. So fuel wise is really good. Well, like I said, if you have any other question about this car, just comment below, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.